इलेक्शन हा पोतार न्हू अजूनही डिसाईड जातले
पयल्या तेकून म्हटलेलें की तुमकां काम करपा जाय जिल्लो
स्पिकर्स पोस्ट आमचो सिनियर मोस्ट BJPचो कोण MLA आहा ताका काडटले
सर केन्ना इलेक्शन
पोतार
जून
तुम्ही कंटिन्यू डेप्युटी म्हणून करतले
that depends on the party now what decision CM and party is taking.
अदरवायज आर यू इंटरेस्टेड टू रिमेन डेप्युटी स्पीकर न्हू
डेप्युटी स्पीकर आहात न्हू
हय फुडें फुडें
फुडें मागीर पळोवया तेंचे डिसिजन जावन
सर 2 मेरेन तुम्ही डिसिजन घेवचे ना विश्वजीत राणेचे
विश्वजीत राणेचे आनी हेचेर कांय संबंध ना ना विश्वजीत राणेचे जे हे आहा आमी लिगल एक्सपर्ट्साक ऑलरेडी फायल धाडलेली ती ऑलरेडी येयल्या आमी चॅक करतले आतां अजुनूय पावंक ना ऑफिसान आय विल सी दॅट गो थ्रू दॅट ऑर्डर
बिफोर तुम्ही डिसाईड करतले
दॅट डिपेंड्स आतां आमचो जो जर पोतार न्यू स्पीकर जाता जाल्यार तेणेय डिसिजन घेवंक जाता तेजेर सगळें रेडी आहा तशें कांय ना एंड आय डोंट थिंक देर इज एनी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी एज फार एज विश्वजीत डिसिजन इज कन्सर्न I can also give the order, the new speaker also can give the order.
दॅट इज MGPची जे दोग जाण
No, I am not in the race.
So you feel that the order should be given by the new
No, I don't feel. I can give it myself also. I will look into that.
कोण
Senior most BJPचो कोण तरी MLA आहा तेणें घेवचें अशें म्हाजें मत आनी म्हाका दिसता पार्टीचें मत अशेंच आसता
आणि पावसकराचेर आनी कितें डिसिजन
पावसकर एंड बाबू जे डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन फायल केला स्पीकर ऑफिसार तेचेर पयलीं तांकां नोटीस वचपाक जाय नोटीस टू बी इशूड टू बाबू आसगांवकर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर आनी डेप्युटी CM आनी तो पावसकर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर आतां हांव वयता तांकां दोगांयकूय नोटीस इशू जावपाक जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता ह्या दिसांनी जातली इशू तांकां
as a speaker,
because there is a petition pending against them in High Court. So as per the disqualification petition, they have to be served notice and called for a explanation. तांकां ते petitionaची copy बीन सगळी दिवपाक जाय and accordingly once that is done then the next hearing will be taking place. It could be the new speaker will be taking with both the parties. रिटर्न रिप्लाय फायल करचे पडटा
जून 4 1 डे सेशन आसा
one day session is called will be called on June 4th. That is finalized, the date is finalized and it will be from 11 o'clock onwards.
so what is
Yeah, the only one agenda will be there, election of speaker.
तर तुम्ही त्यांना म्हणले की 22 एप्रिलला डिसिजन 22 मे डिसिजन करपाक माहिती घेतलेच
कसले हेचेर ते
विश्वजीत राणेचे
विश्वजीत राणेचे सगळे जे हे आसले म्हणजे ऑल द आर्ग्युमेंट्स वीच वर देर बिकॉज देर वॉज ऑलरेडी this 1 or 2 hearings had already taken place. So both the lawyers have filed a reply. Jenna tenka cross kele whether you want to find a rejoinder, they said no. So that means nobody wants to find any more rejoinders in written or argument. So I told them to argue. So they both argued, and I have heard that, and accordingly the order is already almost ready, and we have sent it for legal experts for their opinion because this matter is in Supreme Court. So the order has to be perfectly correct, whatever we are giving, because that order will also go to the Supreme Court. आमचे लॉ डिपार्टमेंट आसा वी हॅव ऑल्सो टेकन हीज एडवायस
Before 4th June it is possible.
It is possible. Why it is not possible? So it may be delivered before 4th or could be even after 4th. The new speaker can just deliver the order because there is no more argument. The argument is concluded as per the Roznama. Order to be delivered हें बरयल्लें आहा तेणी सो ताका फायनल कितें आहा तें ऑर्डरूच दिवपाचें आनी तेतून आर्ग्युमेंट जावंक शकना
The same order which has been referred to Rajnish.
Yeah, it is a final order which is last has to be read out and the order will be of at least 8 to 10 pages, and final order has to be only read out and given it in the hand.